मस्ती शुरू करें।
Hello, kids! Let's play today! Yay, Robo! Let's learn and play! A for apple, shiny and red. A for apple, we just said. B for ball, round and small. Key for ball, we love them all. C for cat, meow, meow, meow. Learning is so easy now. Let's count together, 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, let's do it again. 4, 5, 6, jump up high. 7, 8, 9, touch the sky. Number 10, hooray, hooray. We learned it all, hip, hip, hooray. Circle, square, triangle too. Red and yellow, green and blue. Shapes and colors everywhere. Learning is fun when we all share. Now let's dance and clap along. Happy kids sing our song. Thank you, Robo. You are fun. Goodbye, friends. The song is done.